Hi, thanks for joining me in the June technique class using the Sheltering Tree stamp set. The first card we're going to be making is this card here, and it looks so nice if you stamped it in different colours for different seasons, but I've stuck with the yellow theme here. So inside your card pack, I'll just show you the inside of the card as well. So we've got the lovely little broom detail and some of the leaves and a little bit of grass there. So I'm just going to pop that to one side, but I will show you intermittently as I need to show you detail. So inside your card pack, you'll find that you've got the card front, the two pieces for the front there, and then the pieces for the inside. You will also have a strip of yellow, which is just here. Just grab that. And you'll also need a piece of glimmer paper, and you'll need to punch out a little heart, but if you've ordered the class from me, I will send that to you in your kit. So what you need to do is you need to get your piece of white card and make sure that it fits on top of the soft suede card. Make sure it's got a nice even border all the way around it. I'm just going to remove the inside part for now. And in fact, I'm just going to even that up. That's not scored perfectly. And then I'm going to turn it over and use that as my front. So what you need to do is remove the brown piece of card, and you're going to stick that down where you'd like it to go on the front of your card. So nice even gap all the way around, like so. And you're going to use the soft suede ink, and you're going to stamp the tree in soft suede ink. Actually no, you're going to do that on this little piece like this. So remove it first, and do the trunk slightly coming off the bottom and slightly coming off the edge, but more to the left hand side. So give your tree trunk a nice clean stamped image on the piece of white. Now you're going to position that on your card front. And then you're going to start with the lightest colour yellow, so you're going to go with So Saffron. You're going to stamp the blossom background. I'm just making sure I get ink all over my image. And I'm going to stamp it on the piece of white background card, and also then it will catch on the background pieces. But there will be, because there's a lip where the cards touch, you'll find that it doesn't catch around the edge. That's absolutely fine. We almost want that effect, because you're then going to add the brown background card anyway, so that's going to be absolutely fine. So stamp that, get a nice impression. We've got a bit, it's missed a bit here, but that's absolutely fine. I'm going to show you a way around that. I don't want you to panic at all. So I'm going to now open the Daffodil Delight ink, and I'm going to do the same again. And I'm going to go slightly over the top and twist it slightly so that the blossoms are in a different place. And I'm going to do that. So I've got the little bit over the top. That's probably enough for now. And then you're going to get the little stamp, which is just a very small circle, so the leaf. And I'm going to fill in where the blossom hasn't come out very well. So I'm going to fill in. And I'm also going to quickly wipe it and clean it and do it with the lighter colour too. So I'm going to add a bit of the lighter colour. Doesn't matter if I move this out of the way now to do this, because obviously you won't see what's underneath there. So I'm just going to making sure it's filled as much as I want it to be filled. And then I'm going to go to my Delightful Dijon and my pumpkin pie, and I'm going to fill in with an accent colour and just add a bit of depth with a darker colour and the orange. So I'm just adding a bit of depth in some of the colours, rotating the stamp as I do it so it's not always in the same place. Just like that. Okay, and now I'm going to add a little bit of orange. Let's give that a clean. Just need to move that down a fraction. so that I can get some up here. There we go. And then I'm going to move that off the card front, and I'm going to put my little grass and border using the Pear Pizzazz ink. So I'm just going to add a little bit like so. Then I'm going to actually use the little grass stamp. Just pop that on top of the block and just do a couple of little strands of grass either side, just to add a bit of grass. Now what I'm going to do is stick this back on to my soft suede pre-cut square. I've got a long hair attached to that. Don't know if you can see it. There, got it. Like that. Then I'm actually going to put dimensionals on the back of this and raise the brown section up off the front of the card, just to add a bit of interest and dimension. There we go. Just peel those off. Stick that straight on the front of my card. And then I'm going to stamp my sentiment from the Crazy About You stamp set, which I have here. And you can stamp whatever you wish. So I'm going to put just looking for the right words. Let's have thanks so much. I think that would work. So I'm just going to lay these on the block and get my early espresso ink pad and stamp it on my bit of Delightful Dijon, I think it is, card. Grab my scissors. Obviously it doesn't matter that they're upside down, we're going to be cutting around them. You're also going to raise these up on dimensionals if you wish. Okay, so just grab, I'm going to cut some of the dimensionals in half, and then I've just got a little bit of a thinner strip to go on the back. There we go. So I'm going to do my thanks. Managed to get a little bit of yellow card where I didn't want it. Thanks. And then so. And then much. Helps if you get it straight. Grab my little bit of gold glimmer paper and my owl punch, which is, where is my owl punch? I don't know where my owl punch has gone, so here it is, sorry, beg your pardon. So it's just the little heart out of the owl punch. So just punch that out. God, making it look difficult. My wrists are weak today. a few little dots of glue on the back, squidge it on and squidge it off because I put a bit too much on there, and stick that on there. Get rid of the glue. Right, so that's the front of our card all done, and then on the inside we are going to do the little broom, some leaves and the little bit of grass. That won't take a second. So little bit of grass. I'm going to do a little bit of what colour shall I do? I'm going to do Daffodil Delight for the leaves. And then the early espresso broom. There we go. Bit of glue on the back. Mount it on the inside. And then mount it on the inside of my card. And then you are all done. So I hope you enjoyed making that card. Thanks for watching.